Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we've got the Dewalt Hedge trimmer. This is the 22-inch blade. So we'll go through the tool features of this and show you how to use it. This is model DCHT820. So there's not much to this. It's pretty simple to operate, so it shouldn't be a terribly long video. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just show you how to remove the battery. To do that, you just press down on the battery button, pull straight up, and then to reinstall it, you just line up the grooves with the grooves in here like all their tools, and then you just slide until you hear it click into place. So now really the only thing with this is the trigger. You can see there's a safety mechanism right here. So in order to operate it, you have to push this up and then push the trigger in. And then you can see, just be careful when you use this, because when you start the blade, you could see it starts, but it doesn't stop automatically. So just something to be mindful of. I'll show you. And then really the only other thing with this is, after a lot of use, you'll notice that these blades are starting to get worn out. They do sell replacement blades. They're like $70 some. I'll include a link in the description, but that involves pretty much taking all these screws out and then replacing this whole blade and the arm. So I'll include a link if you want to buy it, if yours is destroyed or something happened to it and you want to put a new one in it. But other than that, when they get dull, you just take a file to them and file each individual blade. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's the Dewalt DCHT820 Hedge trimmer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me create more content. It helps me grow. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.